Select the correct answer from each drop-down menu. Consider functions f and g. F of x equals the square root of x minus 3. G of x equals the square root of 4x minus 12 plus 15. What is the sum of these functions? By the way, in case you don't know, sum means add them together. And I actually think the particular problem is the format that the answer's in. But by the way, when we look at this here, if I can, whoops, I hit 2, 3, and 6. And then over here, our possible answers are 5, 2, 15, and 3. I think that helps us at all. But what the problem says, it says g plus f of x. And I actually have the functions written down, if I can get to them here. So again, what Edmentum had written is they had g plus f of x. And what that means is, we're going to take the function g of x, and we're going to add to it f of x. So let's fill in what g of x equals. It equals the square root of 4x minus 12, and then it's plus 15, and then f of x is the square root of x minus 3. Well, we need to be able to add these two together, and the first thing that I notice is that we can simplify this a little bit, or we can factor it, if I say it even better. We can factor 4x minus 12 with the greatest common factor. Slightly, square root of 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2, and then we've got x minus 3. We don't really need to write parentheses around it. Then we have plus 15. And then over here, we still have an x minus 3. And by the way, when there's no number written in front of the square root of x minus 3, it's a 1. So in other words, what we've got is this term and this term are like terms. So when we add like terms together, 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 15. Well, as I look back at Edmentum, what they have here at the answer, and let me actually just pull it up here for you to see, they have a 3 outside of things. So when we look back at this, what we have in factor from here, and now the last thing that we need, we've got x minus